Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Bright app. So let's get started. So here you have to open your Google Play Store, or if you are having the Google, you can just open it. And if you are an Apple user, then open your Apple Store. Okay. And then here you have to search for the Bright app. Just search for the Bright app here. Okay. And then you can see the Bright app as Bright English for beginners. So here we can see, I will just click on here. Okay, and here I have to click on the install button and you can install it from here. And if you scroll down, you can see the reviews also, and you can put your reviews in the app also as well. And if you scroll down and see for the app like app support, you can just contact them from here also. So by this way you can just do it, and if you do up, then you can directly click on the install button and it will download automatically and install it in your phone. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.